Hey everyone. So if you're an Acumatica user, you already know how incredible it is for running your business. But what about that mountain of paperwork and digital files that just keeps piling up? In this explainer, we're going to show you how to finally tame that document chaos for good.
Does this sound familiar to you? You've got stacks of paper on your desk, your email inbox is just overflowing, and you've got that sinking feeling that a really important document is just gone. You're constantly hunting for invoices, purchase orders, signed receipts. It feels like a never-ending battle just to stay on top of it all.
The dream, right, is to never again misplace a critical invoice, or misfile a contract, or lose that one signed proof of delivery that you desperately need. And look, these aren't just little annoyances. They're real risks to your business, both financially and operationally.
So what's the fix? Well, the good news is there's a really powerful two-part solution that's built from the ground up to work perfectly with Acumatica. And we're talking about UnForm Cloud and CirrusPrint.
Okay, first, let's dive into UnForm Cloud. We're going to break down the top 3 reasons why this is such a game changer for Acumatica users, and we'll do it countdown style.
All right, coming in at number 3 is a feature that directly attacks one of the biggest time wasters in pretty much any office, just trying to find the right document when you actually need it.
And that is full integration with one-click document access. Now, it sounds simple, I know, but the impact this has on your day-to-day workflow is just massive.
Think about what this means. No more switching between different programs, no more digging through confusing network folders. You're right there, inside an Acumatica transaction. You click a button, and bam, every single related document is right in front of you. We're talking invoices, POs, signed receipts, all of it. This kind of tight integration saves an incredible amount of time.
Now for benefit number 2. This one takes that efficiency we just talked about and adds a serious layer of intelligence on top.
This is where things get really cool. AI document capture. This isn't just about scanning a piece of paper. It's about making your documents start working for you.
So, how does it work? Well, this tech pretty much eliminates manual data entry. UnForm uses advanced AI and optical character recognition to literally read your documents, like a vendor invoice, with amazing accuracy. It automatically finds and pulls out the key info, invoice numbers, dates, totals, and then pushes it all directly into Acumatica for you. This slashes errors and frees up your team to do much more valuable things with their time.
And that brings us to the number 1 benefit of UnForm Cloud. And honestly, this is the one that makes all of this amazing technology truly accessible to everyone.
It's simply unbeatable value. Because look, having all these state-of-the-art features is fantastic, but at the end of the day, it has to make financial sense for your business.
The bottom line is this. You get a premium, top-tier cloud solution with all the bells and whistles we just discussed, but at a price that is highly competitive. It's really all about making powerful, modern document automation something that more businesses can actually afford.
Okay, so UnForm Cloud completely handles your document capture and management. But what about getting documents out of the system? Well, the second half of this solution, CirrusPrint, is all about solving the universal headache of printing. And yep, you guessed it, it also has 3 key benefits.
So let's start the countdown for CirrusPrint. Coming in at number 3 is something that's absolutely critical for any business today, and that's security.
We're talking about fast and secure printing. Because when you hit print on a sensitive document, you need to know 2 things. It's going to get there quickly, and that your data is protected every step of the way. And CirrusPrint just handles this beautifully. All your print jobs are compressed to make them super fast. They're sent using secure HTTPS, just like your online banking, and they're even encrypted when they're stored temporarily. What that all means is your important business documents are delivered fast and safe every single time.
All right, the number 2 benefit of CirrusPrint is all about breaking down barriers and giving you complete and total flexibility.
Get this, you can print from Acumatica to literally any printer, anywhere. I mean it. It doesn't matter if your Acumatica is on-premise or in the cloud, or if your printer's down the hall, in a remote warehouse, or even sitting in someone's home office. CirrusPrint just bridges that gap seamlessly.
And the number 1 benefit of CirrusPrint is what all that flexibility and security ultimately adds up to, saving you real, tangible time and money.
It saves you time and money. And here's exactly how. First, you get full control over all your printer's features. We're talking tray selection, duplexing, the whole shebang. Second, you can completely get rid of the cost and headaches of managing VPNs or complicated port forwarding just for printing. And third, you don't have to buy any new printers. It just works with the hardware you already have.
So we've seen how this two-part solution is a massive upgrade for Acumatica users, but it's also designed to be a huge win for the technology partners who support those users.
You can see this really powerful relationship here. For the users, the value is crystal clear. You ditch those slow, outdated manual processes and save a ton of time and money. But for partners, the value is just as strong. You get to solve a major pain point for your customer, and that leads to happy clients, which leads to great referrals and more business.
I mean, at the end of the day, for the partners, it's about this: becoming a hero to your customers. When you bring in a solution that makes such a real, tangible difference in their daily work, you stop being just another vendor. You become a critical problem solver for them.
And hey, for any Acumatica partners who are watching right now, there's a direct incentive for you too. Special discounts are available, so it is absolutely worth reaching out to learn more about all the benefits for your own business.
So if any of this has struck a chord with you, whether you're a user who's just buried in document chaos or you're a partner looking for a fantastic solution for your clients, here is your next step.
Honestly, the best way to really grasp the impact this can have is to just see it in action. A live demo can show you exactly how this would completely transform your own workflows.
The person you're going to want to talk to is Vickie, and all of her contact info is right here on the screen. Give her a call at 800-446-7374, extension 156, or you can shoot her an email at vickie@synergetic-data.com. So I'll just leave you with this one final question to think about. We've spent our entire careers trying to manage our documents, but what if, with the right tools, your documents could finally start to manage themselves? Thanks for joining me.